Day 8.
Oh my god. Again, but I think I drank water a lot yesterday night, so maybe okay. I did sit up, so it's pumping up. It's good. My breakfast. Today I'm gonna work, so I need breakfast. Oh yeah. I'm gonna go to uncle's place to work. So cold. I went to Family Mart. Today I bought this one. Jasmine tea. Ooh yeah. Still dark. Dinner time. I'm home. Yeah. Alone. So cold, so cold. Oh yeah.
Day 8.
So changed. Day 8. So brunch, rice, sausage, coffee, easy one. I've just been to the gym. I'm so tired today because I worked yesterday. Anyways, I'm gonna go to the hospital right now because I have skin problem. I'll let you know if you wanna. Anyways, let's go. My dinner.
Day 10.
Oh. I'm gonna work. I'm gonna go right now. Till die. Till die. Till die. Till die. Till die. Till die. Still cold. Still dark. I went to, as you know, Family Mart. Today I bought Ayataka. Come on. Come on. It's okay. It's green tea. And Ikura Onigiri. Oh, omusubi. Yeah. I don't have the time. Good morning. Hey, what's up? Hey, boss. Hey, boss. Yo, what's up? What have you up to? Oh, yeah.
Hey, what's up? I'm so exhausted. I'm sorry I couldn't do anything like stupid thing. Yeah, I've been busy. I've been working with my uncle. It's how can I say, like interior finishing? Maybe I hope it's true. It's so hard. Just I wanna say it's so hard. I wake up like 4:40 a.m., 4:50. Go back home at 8 p.m., 9 p.m., sometimes 10 p.m. like that. Like that. Anyways, about diet, it's okay. Yeah, I've been doing the best. Sorry, my brain is not working today, so I just want to say thank you for watching, and I really hope you enjoy my video. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow, maybe. Oh yeah.